Rajveer, and recently I completed my masters in VLSI design and embedded systems from NIT Rourkela. And in this video I will talk about how I learned VLSI design even after doing my graduation in electrical engineering. So with this note, let us get started.
It all started after getting a mediocre score in GATE 2020. However, I devoted only 8 months of time for GATE exam preparation in my final year of B.Tech. About my GATE preparation, I will talk in another video. This video contains everything about my transformation from electrical to VLSI design engineer. So this video is all about ups and downs, initial lack of interest, additional works, then ECE guys, and every challenge I faced while transforming myself to a VLSI engineer. In fourth round of CTMT counseling, I got VLSI design and embedded system specialization to pursue my post-graduation in NIT Rourkela. Coursework started on 21 September 2020. So everyone was asked to be very clear with fundamentals of digital and analog electronics. Both these subjects are present in EE GATE also, but electrical engineers rarely pay attention to analog electronics for GATE exam preparation. As much as I remember, in analog electronics I read importance only like basic configurations such as common emitter, source follower, and operational amplifier. However, digital electronics I prepared well during GATE exam preparation also. Before taking admission, I was aware of this fact. That's why during CCMT counseling process itself, I learned about analog electronics from Dr. Rajveer Electronics 1 playlist. That's why my VLSI journey actually started in August 2020. However, my post-graduation started in September 2020. So, digital and analog electronics were prepared during the start of M.tech itself, and basics of PDC I prepared with digital IC design. And one more thing, I will focus on preparation of only those subjects which are required for VLSI job. Some other subjects such as advanced digital signal processing, machine learning, advanced instrumentation were there in NIT academics but aren't required for VLSI job, so those I will be skipping. Now, second challenge was to learn a STL language, as I wasn't interested in coding at all. So I started discovering course for Verilog, and initial 1 month was very tough as assignment keep coming and I wasn't able to solve any one of them. But then I found one NPTEL course on Verilog by Indranil Sen Gupta sir. So first time I realized value of NPTEL. Earlier my first priority was Coursera to learn any course, but the kind of details Indranil sir have mentioned in this playlist are awesome, and he can make you learn very easily. So I religiously followed that lecture series for Verilog, noted important points, and at the end of first semester done a mini project on design and verification of GCD calculator. With this I started to like VLSI. Honestly, I joined this branch only for placement as it was very hyped branch, and that hype is true actually. Yeah, but with time as you start learning VLSI subjects like digital IC design, Verilog, low power VLSI, and got to know about processors and how small these transistors are and how much they are helping mankind in their daily needs. So it really fascinated me, and with end of first semester a true interest towards VLSI was developed. When I chosen my college for B.Tech, I wasn't aware about fundamental difference between electrical and electronics. That's why misjudgment was there. But now I feel lucky because of that, as I have knowledge of both sides, electrical and electronics. Electrical because of my B.Tech and electronics because of my post-graduation in VLSI design. And it gives me a lot of confidence too. And third major thing for VLSI is digital VLSI design. Actually, Verilog and this subject digital IC design needs to be learnt in parallel, and I did same. For digital IC design, I followed the NPTEL course of Janki Raman sir. As of now, believe me, this is the best freely available course for digital IC design. Before this, I started IIT Roorkee Digital VLSI Design NPTEL course, tried to read from various books but nothing worked for me. But in Janki Raman sir's course, he starts from MOSFET fundamentals and slowly takes you to combinational and sequential circuits. In between, he talks about MOSFET and all those things which are required for in-depth understanding. Like whatever one beginner needs to know before studying this subject, everything is covered in this course. I would suggest do not see this course very fast, just start at proper time and see this course at right pace. Try to understand each and every line of sir. And once you finish this, automatically your digital IC design knowledge will level up. So in this way, major subjects were covered. In second semester, remaining subjects like VLSI physical design, computer architecture, low power VLSI, testing and verification concepts. So using college lectures and some material from here and there, I learned these. As interest was developed already, so these subjects I covered very fast. Because of VLSI design and embedded system specialization, learned about MIPS processor and assembly language too. In Feb 2021, I was learning about VLSI at little fast than starting. Same time, I got to know knowledge of one software language will also help or required in interview. So I started learning C from Code with Harry's YouTube channel, as well as from one course available on Coursera platform. Placement season was about to start and everyone was little worried as everything was going online. While learning C, I got to know that its syntax is very similar with Verilog, so completed fundamentals very fast. And then I didn't learn much details about C. Major focus was on Verilog. Apart from these, I know about Cadence layout editor tool as it was in M.tech course work of NIT Rourkela. And from September 2020 to April 2021, I learned continuously about digital VLSI and related subjects, and the information about must-known VLSI courses which you should study if you want to be a VLSI engineer are in the video at I button and also in description. So now I will jump to the time when placement season started. 15th April afternoon, one mail comes that MediaTek is going to visit my college next week, so I stopped learning new things and revised my notes as well as read about some types of interview questions for digital VLSI, digital electronics and Verilog. With this much knowledge, I appeared in my first VLSI interview. This interview stage came after qualifying written test of company. After some time, interview results announced and I was selected. And that feel was very astonishing as I didn't thought that even from EE branch I will make it in first attempt. So what I feel consistency was main reason behind selection. From starting, I know that because of B.Tech in electrical, I have to work little hard than electronic student because they study fundamentals in their B.Tech itself. So this video is all about my journey from electrical to VLSI engineer. I hope it motivates electrical students, and I know from my 12th and JEE preparation that I am interested in electrical, and when I read about VLSI, I like it too. Maybe because of one reason, I love learning new things, and this branch is constantly evolving and each and every individual is using our products. So it makes us feel good. I would like to end this video with line शुरू placement के लिए किए थे but अब मजा आ रहा है. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you guys in next video.